Hello guys, welcome to Himiltip 6. Here we have our video. Drag it to the composition. Let's see what we have inside. So now we have both audio and video. So what's our option to separate them? Select the layer, Ctrl plus D to duplicate, then expand it, then go to audio. Reduce the audio level as much as you can. So minus 192. Then the second one, expand, transform, opacity, reduce it to 0. Now if we disable the second layer, as you can see we have only video on the first layer, and if we disable the first layer and enable the second layer, we will have only the audio. Also for information, if we don't want to do this, if we disable the sound here from this icon, uncheck it, we will have no sound. Same goes for the video. If we don't want to see the video, you can just uncheck the visibility and you will have only the audio. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.